All right, everyone, we have a fun story today. It's called Go Wild. First of all, let's think in our heads, is it fiction or nonfiction? If you said nonfiction, you are correct. And what tells us that are the pictures. Our question today says, how do animals survive in nature? Let's go ahead and start. Ready? Begin. Go wild. Ready? Begin. Animals need food to live and grow. But all animals don't eat the same things. Some big animals, such as hippos, eat plants. A hippo can eat more than 130 pounds of grass. That's a lot of grass. Ready? Begin. Some small animals eat plants too. A squirrel eats loads of plant seeds. They like nuts and grains. A squirrel can smell a nut and find it even in the snow. Ready? Begin. Some animals hunt and eat other animals. First, this big cat runs fast to catch its meal. Then it will use its claws and teeth to eat. Ready? Begin. Frogs and toads seek insects and snails to eat. A big frog goes after mice too. But frogs and toads have no teeth, so they must gulp down their meal. Ready? Begin. Some animals eat both plants and animals. An ostrich eats seeds and leaves, but it will search all over for insects, snakes, and lizards as well. Ready? Begin. A painted turtle eats plants, fish, and frogs. This reptile lives in lakes and ponds. It likes the cold water at first, but then it will come up on land to get warm. Ready? Begin. A bear may start its day by eating plants. Next, it may go fishing in a lake. After that, a bear may go hunting. Then it may even go to a campsite. Most bears will eat plants, animals, and people food. Is there any food left here to eat? If so, a bear will find it. In the wild, animals find food in lots of places. And then it says, what do animals in the wild eat? And we learned a few things they eat, didn't we? Some eat other animals, some eat grass or bugs. Okay, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.